Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar and today in this video, we are going to discuss about switch statements in C Sharp. So let us go to our topic. So before going to our topic, I want to say that please subscribe to my channel. I am watching that people are seeing my videos but not subscribing, so please subscribe. A switch statement in C Sharp is a control flow statement that allows you to select one of several code blocks to execute based on the value of an expression. In C Sharp, switch statement is a multi-way branch statement. It provides an efficient way to transfer the execution to different parts of a code based on the value of the expression. The switch expression is of integer type such as int, char, byte, or short, or of an enumeration type or of string type. The expression is checked for different cases and the one match is executed. When C Sharp reaches a break keyword, it breaks out of the switch block. This will stop the execution of more code and case testing inside the block. The default keyword is optional and specifies some code to run if there is no case match. In the figure, you can see that I have shown the working of the switch case statement. So here you can see that first switch expression will be evaluated or it will have some value, and after that each case will be checked. And suppose the value is a string and I have put here a. So in the case a, it will compare this a value to the case, a value of the case, and it will go to the case a block and execute the code of the case a block, and it will, after that, it will come to the rest of the code. If here b is there, so it will go to the case b and the code of the case b will be executed. Similarly, for c, it will execute. But suppose the switch expression is not matching with any of the cases, then it will by default go to default block and it will execute any code present into the default block. So default block is optional. If we don't have default block here, then it will not execute. It will directly come to the rest of the code. Now we'll see the advantages of switch over if else statement. Number one advantage is faster execution. Switch cases create a jump table during compilation, resulting in faster execution compared to nested if else statement. Readability. Switch cases are more readable than if else statements, especially for large set of values. Ease of editing. Switch cases are easier to edit and maintain compared to nested if else statement. Multi-way branching. Switch cases provide multi-way branching, allowing for more efficient handling of multiple conditions. Single expression. Switch cases use a single expression for multiple choices, simplifying code structure. Now we will see the syntax of the switch statement. You can see here it will have switch keyword, then expression will be present here. Then after that, cases will be there like case X, case Y, then and it will have number of cases. And after that, here we'll have, after that at the last we will have default case. So in case of default is optional, it may or may not be present in the switch. And you can see here we are having break statement. Suppose case Y is matching, then the code inside the case Y will be executed. And after that, it will go to break because our condition is met here. So there is no need of checking other blocks, and it will from here directly come to the rest of the code. Now we will see the example of switch statement in Visual Studio. So here in the Visual Studio, you can see that I have created a project with the name switch statement. And in this project, I am having program.cs file. And in the program.cs file, I have created one switch block here. Switch statement is here for checking the condition. And also I am having one another switch statement. So in case of first, here the data type of this expression is int. So it will compare these cases with int values. Like here you can see that case 1, case 2, case 3. Suppose here 4 comes, then it will go to case 4 because this 4 is matching with the value in the expression. Similarly, in another one here in the expression, I have string value. So the cases will be of type string. Here you can see Rohan, Shahrukh, Sonali. So these cases are string type, and in the expression, name is also of type string. So now I will run this program and we'll see the functionality. So first I will explain you what will happen. It will ask for entering any number of day between 1 to 7. And if anyone matches, then the code inside the console.write line will be executed. And after that, it will come out of the switch statement. And in the next step, it will ask for the employee name and it will check here for matching employee name. So according to this, it will go into the particular matching case and the code inside that particular case will be executed. So now I run here the program. You can see on the output screen, it is asking for number of day between 1 to 7. So I will enter here 5 and it is printing today is Friday because in the case file, it is written today is Friday. So it is printing today is Friday on the screen. Now it is asking for the employee name for the next switch statement. So I am here, I will write here Rohan. And it is case sensitive. If I will write in small case and if it will not match with our particular case, so it will not execute. So Rohan, I have typed here. You can see that it is printing Rohan's salary is 40,000. So it is working as expected. I will go to Visual Studio where you can see that when I have typed 5, so in case 5, today is Friday is written, so it got printed. And in the next switch case statement, I have written here Rohan, so it is printing Rohan's salary is 40,000, so it is also correct. Now we will put some invalid values which is not present in the case. So what will happen? So it will go into the default block in the default and the code inside the default will be printed in both of the switch statement. Here also I have written invalid input in the default. Now I will run here. On the output screen, it is asking for number of day between 1 to 7. Now I'll print here. I will give here 8. So you can see that it is printing invalid input. It is because it is going into the default because 1 to 7 cases are present and I have to put here 8. So it is comparing with the case number and it's not matching. So it came into the default and printed invalid input. Now I will write some XYZ name here instead of Rohan, Shahrukh or Sonali. I have print here. I have entered XYZ. So you can see that invalid input is printed. So it is working as expected. Now I'll go to our summary page. That is our last page here. So today we have covered C# switch statements. Our next topic is C# loops, so which I will cover in the next week. So please be connected with my channel. And also I have given the playlisting in the description of the video. So you can find the playlisting and you can also watch different C# related videos. So at last I want to say that thank you and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.